In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the forward toss, which looks like this. Now the forward toss is great because it gets you into looping. You can do famous tricks like around the world. You can even do more difficult tricks like shoot the moon if you angle the yo-yo up a little bit, and you can even get into off-string style yo-yoing. It's just a great trick because it opens so many doors, and it's not that hard. So the first thing that you want to make sure is that you have a yo-yo that's going to be good for this trick, and all you need is really any yo-yo that sleeps. It doesn't have to sleep, but that makes it easier. But you want it to come back really quickly if you give it just the slightest tug, because you don't want it to hesitate too long when it's at the end of the string. And once you have that, you're ready to go. So forward toss is kind of the inverse of your normal throw. What you know from your normal throw is that you're going to hold the yo-yo like this. You're going to throw the yo-yo down, turn your hand over, and get the yo-yo to come back up. So at this one, instead of holding your hand this way, you're going to hold your hand like this. And all you're going to do is just swing your hand right by your side, just like this. And about halfway through, you're going to let the yo-yo go, and ideally, it'll go to the end of the string and then kind of be on an upward swing and come back and fall down into your hand. Now, one of the first things that you need to notice is that, like your normal throw, you know how you turn your hand over and pull the yo-yo back up? With your forward toss, you're actually doing the same thing. You're going to turn your hand over to catch it. And there's two advantages to this. The first one is that the yo-yo is going to fall down into your hand, so you're going to find your catches are a little bit more consistent when you do it that way. And then second, you won't have to turn the yo-yo over in your hand because it's going to be set up in the way that you want the yo-yo to be set up, with the string going over the top, and you won't have to turn the yo-yo over. So watch what happens if I don't turn my hand over to catch it. I just grab it out of the air like this. Now the string is coming under the yo-yo, which means if I want to do my throw, I've got to turn the yo-yo over. Now with this trick, there's really two problems that you might run into, and they have to do with the timing of when you release the yo-yo. So the first one that most people do when they are learning this trick is they release the yo-yo just a little bit too late. And so if that happens, it's going to look like this, where the yo-yo, instead of curving up and coming back down into your hand, it'll go out and then fall down. If that's what's happening to you, then that means that you're probably releasing the yo-yo later than you should. So you want to just release the yo-yo a little bit earlier than might feel comfortable at first, and that should help with that. Now, if you release the yo-yo a little bit too early, or you kind of swing the yo-yo around as you're throwing it too much, then it'll be kind of like a quarter around the world like this. And so you saw the yo-yo sleep a little bit. If that's happening, then that means you're probably just releasing it a little bit too early. So you need to find that balance. Usually I think about releasing it right as it goes past my hip right here, and that seems to get it just about right. And again, you can see there's kind of like a round motion of it going out and then coming up and falling down into my hand when you get it right. So once you have all of these pieces in place and you've kind of mastered this, you're ready to move on to a lot of really exciting tricks, and that is the forward toss.